Hello everyone, myself Steffi Souza, student of Parvatibai Chogle College of Arts and Science from the Department of Sociology. Today I'll be speaking about a sociologist, Radhakamal Mukherjee, as a part of my digital storytelling. So, who is Radhakamal Mukherjee? Radhakamal Mukherjee, a leading thinker and a social scientist of modern India. He played an important and constructive role in the Indian independence movement. He was an accomplished scholar with a great interest in history. So, moving forward to the life stretch, Radhakamal Mukherjee was born on 7th December 1889 in a large Bengali Brahmin family in a small country town of West Bengal called Berhampur in Murshidabad. He spent the first 16 years of his life in this town. He grew up in a household with a scholarly focus and a library devoted to history, literature, the law, and Sanskrit texts. His father was a Kulin Brahmin who grew up in poverty but made himself an eminent barrister and a lawyer and married the daughter of a wealthy Calcutta family. Radhakamal lost his father during the age of 5. Being the youngest of many children, Radhakamal was his mother's pet. His elder brothers were always reading books from which he, being a child, was kept at a distance. Mukherjee's house used to be full of pet animals, especially a golden hued cow which yielded milk throughout the year. Mukherjee had his early education in Berhampur. He excelled in school. He went to the Krishnath College in Berhampur and got an academic scholarship in the leading educational institution in India, the Presidency College in Calcutta. He took his honors course in English and history in this college. His interest in understanding the social life, ameliorating the conditions of the poorer segments of the society. During this period of his life, Mukherjee launched himself into the area of adult education, which remained his interest till the end. He started an adult evening school in 1906 in the slums of Meko Bazar in Calcutta. He also wrote simple texts for adult education. In 1910, Mukherjee joined his alma mater in Berhampur as a teacher in economics. During this period, he wrote his early works in economics, such as the Foundations of Indian Economics. He stayed in the University of Calcutta for 5 years and taught economics, sociology, and political philosophy. He was awarded the Premchand Rai Chand Scholarship in 1915 and PhD degree in 1920. In 1921, he joined the University of Lucknow as professor and head of the Department of Economics and Sociology. Mukherjee has rightly been credited with having played a foundational role in the shaping of social sciences in general and sociology in particular. Indeed, he spent the most productive years of his illustrious academic career at Lucknow. While discharging his duties, first as professor of economics and sociology for nearly 30 years up to 1952, then as the vice chancellor from 1955 to 1957 of Lucknow University, and subsequently as the lifelong director of the JK Institute of Sociology and Human Relation in 1958 at the same university. He produced an enviable corpus of scholarly work on a wide range of themes and issues. He also visited universities of Cambridge, Oxford, Chicago, Columbia, and so on for delivering lectures in economics and sociology. He served as a member of various committees appointed by the government of Uttar Pradesh and the Union government. At some point, he married and had 2 children. The basic nature of his writings is the integration of the social sciences, and he has been a pathfinder in many fields. Radhakamal Mukherjee's vision of sociology, though rooted in the Indian tradition, was still universalistic. Mukherjee wrote around 53 books on several issues. His contribution lay in the important areas of developing interdisciplinary, rather transdisciplinary approach in studying society, social ecology and regional sociology, and sociology of values or social structure of values. So one of the important writings of Mukherjee is The Land Problems of India 1934. The issue which Mukherjee discussed in this book is the land situation in India. Professor Mukherjee spoke about the problems related to land tenure in India. So according to him, land tenure is more complicated in India probably than in any country in the world. He gives a good idea of this complexity and indicates the probable origins of many indigenous systems of tenure. He is concerned with the effects of the laws and customs of the land tenure upon the efficiency of agriculture and the welfare of the peasants. So the existing systems of tenancy and the abuses which have grown up under them are described in order to explain the reasons for the reforms which have been attempted and those which the author advocates. So many of his students and associates reflect this approach in their writings. One of the famous concepts given by this scholar is the general theory of society, which seeks to explain the values of a universal civilization. He used the term civilization in an inclusive sense. Culture is part of it. He proposes that human civilization should be studied at 3 interrelated levels, that is, biological evolution, universalization, and spiritual dimension. This sociologist Radhakamal Mukherjee died in the year 1968, but his contributions have left a deep imprint on the students of sociology. Thank you.